Virenji K. Shah, retired judge, City Civil Court, Ahmedabad. I was suffering from knee problem since long, so I consulted Dr. Keyur Buch, who examined my both legs and gave frank opinion that only left knee requires replacement and right knee does not require any treatment. He operated and replaced my knee successfully, and I am totally satisfied. I am also grateful to staff members who attended me while I was admitted in the hospital, and they worked me or helped me with a laughing face. I am totally satisfied with the result of my operation, and doctor as well as staff members of this hospital.